What's up everybody, SammyCheez here, back with another video. Now today, I will be teaching you guys how to make let's call it a maze game. It's going to be a simple game where the cat has to go through a series of levels and go to a green circle, the teleporter, to get to the next level. So let's get straight onto this. First, let's go into events, one green flag clicked. Set size to, let's see what 50% looks like. Yeah, let's do 50%. I'm going to put him in all the way at the top left corner. So for me, the X is negative 204 and the Y is 142. Now we can put in one green flag clicked forever. If touching, we're going to do an if touching color. Let's make a level and let's see, backdrops. Fill, we're going to make this color black. Outline, okay. Now, if we go into the rectangle block, it should be like this. So, we're going to see how far away from the cat that is, and that is just touching it, so I'm going to move that a smidge. So, we're just going to do a basic level to start off. I'm going to actually copy this to make it look more professional, and I'm just going to move it right here, and I'm going to paste it again. So now we got a simple level, and let's make a green circle. If you hold shift, it'll make an automatic circle. Now we can drag this right there. Just like that. And I'm going to add the motion to the cat for now before we add the if touching color, black and all of that. So I'm going to add onto this block right here and do forever, grab 4 if blocks, drag them into the forever, go into sensing, touching, oh, oops, not that. Key, let's do, I'm going to do arrow keys for this. You can do WASD or any other thing. If right arrow, left arrow, sorry, down arrow, up arrow. So now we go into motion, change X by, let's say 5, change X by, oops, gotta put that in the left arrow box if it'll want to go in there. Let's say -5. Change Y by 5 for up arrow key pressed. Change Y by, oop, that's X. Change Y, oh, that's set Y to change Y by -5. Oop, and that's not in the thing. No, if we drag that to the bottom, let's see what happens with our arrow keys. I think he moves a little too fast, so I'm going to set all of these to 3. Now I'm going to see. I think that's a little bit better because it's not too fast. Why does it keep on going down when I'm not pressing the key? Little fault on my part. I'm going to save now and reload the page. Now let's try this. Okay, it works just fine. So what we're going to do for if touching color black, we're just going to go back to where we were. So as you can see, it works. I go back to the main position. Now we're going to make it happen. What if we touch the green circle? So I'm going to go into events, one green flag clicked forever. If I'm going to go into sensing, if touching color, I'm going to go down to color pick and I'm going to select the green. Then we'll go into backdrops and we'll say next backdrop. And I accidentally pressed next costume, so we'll reset that. And now let's make another backdrop. I'm going to duplicate this one. And now I'm going to take this block and I'm going to make a little funky backdrop. So these backdrops are levels, so you can customize them to your taste. I'm going to make a simple, short, and sweet one. And this circles me right here. And let's give this a shot. And oh, I also forgot to say, make sure that when you go to the next backdrop, you also go to that X and Y position that you always start at. And then you want to go into looks, switch backdrop to backdrop 1, green flag clipped. So let's give this a shot. Let's complete this, and you can make more levels for this maze, and you can keep on continuing this. But this is just a short example of a maze game. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in future videos.